Hello friends, today's topic magic of SEP from 2000 to 2 crore. SEP means systematic equity plan. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Many people believe that stock markets are only for rich people. Also, they feel that if we have very small amount, then we cannot become a crorepati. But these are misconceptions. Even small amounts invested for long periods of time can become huge. The investment can be increased in future, then stock markets will make a large number of people crorepatis in this generation. In this video, we have done a lot of calculations to inform you how investment will multiply at different rates and in different time periods. Depending on how many years you have till retirement, you can make an approximate guess of what could be a retirement corpus. We have taken an example of only rupees 2000 per month. If you can invest rupees 5000 per month, then you can multiply the corpus value by 2.5 to understand how much you may get after 20 to 30 years. If your investment is rupees 10,000 per month, then you can multiply the corpus value by 5 because 10,000 divided by 2,000 is 5. We made this video for you to understand how the power of compounding can change your lives. Many people don't take much benefit even after being aware of it. The more you spend time on learning such things, the higher the chance that you will take action to benefit from it. Now, the future corpus. Monthly investment, SEP or SIP, 2000, number of years, 30, corpus value at 12% returns, 64 lakhs, corpus value at 15% returns, 1.19 crores, corpus value at 18% returns, 2.23 crores. Here I have given you three values 12, 15 and 18. You could be asking from where I got these figures. 12 is approximate returns you get in the equity mutual funds on a long-term basis. 15 is normally on a long-term basis you may get from stock markets. 18% you can expect provided you know fundamental analysis and you're going to monitor the stocks once in 3 months after the profit and loss account of the companies are being declared. Now, to keep this video short, I am going to read only the number of years and corpus value at 12%, 15% and 18% continuously. 29 years, it could be 57 lakhs, 1.04 crores, 1.89 crores. 28 years, 51 lakhs, 90 lakhs, 1.60 crores. 27 years, 45 lakhs, 78 lakhs, 1.36 crores. 26 years, 40 lakhs, 67 lakhs, 1.14 crores. 25 years, 36 lakhs, 58 lakhs, 97 lakhs. 24 years, 31 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 82 lakhs. 23 years, 28 lakhs, 44 lakhs, 69 lakhs. 22 years, 24 lakhs, 38 lakhs, 58 lakhs. 21 years, 21 lakhs, 32 lakhs, 49 lakhs. Now coming to 20 years, 19 lakhs, 28 lakhs, 41 lakhs. 19 years, 17 lakhs, 24 lakhs, 34 lakhs. 18 years, 15 lakhs, 21 lakhs, 29 lakhs. 17 years, 13 lakhs, 18 lakhs, 24 lakhs. 16 years, 11 lakhs, 15 lakhs and 21 lakhs. Going down, 15 years, corpus at 12% returns, 10 lakhs, 15% returns, 13 lakhs and 18% returns, 17 lakhs. If it is 11 years, corpus value at 12% returns, 5.5 lakhs, 15% returns, 6.7 lakhs and corpus at 18% returns, 8.1 lakhs. Now the last table in front of you, 2000 rupees, number of years 10, corpus value at 12% returns, 4.7 lakhs and corpus value at 15% returns, 5.6 lakhs. Corpus value at 18% returns, 6.6 lakhs. Now coming to 8 years, 3.3 lakhs, 3.8 lakhs, 4.3 lakhs. Coming to the last figure, 6 years, corpus value at 12% returns, 2.1 lakhs, corpus value at 15% returns, 2.4 lakhs, corpus value at 18% returns, 2.6 lakhs. We have not done calculation for less than 5 years since the compounding will be very less and the benefit of investment will not be significant. When you invest in stock markets and mutual funds, you must target a minimum of 5 to 6 years at least to receive some meaningful appreciation. Compounding is a wonder of the world which everybody needs to benefit from. However, very few people understand it well and even fewer people take benefit from it. Make sure you share this information with all your contacts so that their eyes will open to newer ideas to multiply money. At the end of the video, here is the question. At what age do you plan to teach your children about compounding in stock markets? Type the age in the comment section. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. Especially this particular video is useful for everybody in Karnataka and all over the country, and hence it is our duty to forward it to everybody. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.